Alright, so today's plan is JBR, which is Jumeirah Beach Residence, and Hanzala is going to accompany me today for the vlog. Yay! So we just had food, so now we're first gonna, because I really don't know about this place, nor does he. It took us about...
Even though I'm here from like 14 years, this is the second time I'm coming here.
Exactly.
Because we live pretty far.
Yeah, he lives pretty far.
She lives right next to it. And she's coming here for the second time, I guess.
Yeah, I'm coming here for the second time, but it's been a long time, so I've forgotten stuff. So it kind of took us about 15-20 minutes to get the parking. 15-20 minutes. Alright, so now we're at the beach. It's really beautiful, and they also have the restaurant where you actually go up on the building and then you eat on this little thing, which is like a roller coaster kind of stuff.
You have to go there.
Right? Up? Yeah, so that is the one coaster.
2 years ago, they used to have a crane where they used to lift the people, and there they used to have it.
Okay, so there's a play park behind, which is that colorful thing, where basically people can swim and go, and then they have slides and stuff out there, and you can play. So it's like a mini water park, right?
Yeah. Do it while I can.
Okay, come. So it's really happening out here, right?
Yep.
I mean, there are a whole lot of people. The vibe is really nice and friendly. It's neat, clean, tourist friendly.
I'll take a picture. This is the capture.
This is nice. Come here. So now we are at this area which has a whole lot of things to play with. Basically you play and you win, which is right here, and it's gonna be me against him.
I'm not gonna play, I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna take a picture.
No, if I can't play something well and there are 5 different rounds, he's gonna play the 3 next rounds so that I get a gift. Yeah.
You're doomed. She's doomed.
I'm not. We're in for this. Okay, so we're gonna play this fish game because it kind of says that there's gonna be a prize every time, and I have a feeling I'm gonna win.
No points.
Okay.
Catching it. Woo. 3 ducks. Okay.
Okay, you got 4, 5, 6.
6 points.
Medium. Choose one.
Medium. Oh my god.
I want something new.
So you have to choose one.
Winner!
Yeah, she won.
Winner!
She won. Okay, she just have to throw a ball inside that box. So she's gonna throw a ball inside.
So yeah, now we're done with that. Now JBR is actually a place which has residences on both sides. So it's basically got residences there and on the other side as well. And it's got a whole lot of eateries and fun areas to play at, and it's got a beautiful beach.
अभी सही है ना? और ऊपर.
हाँ,
Okay.
ऐसे. And get yourself also, no? Leave it, I'll hold. नहीं होने वाला.
तुमसे नहीं होने.
Okay, so now we finished everything at JBR. So it's a place that has beautiful eateries, shopping centers. It has a fun area to play, and I want something, and I'm gonna just keep saying that because I feel like such a winner. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose and win at the same time as well. Because he didn't play, I had a deep feeling he would win.
I won this.
No, he didn't. I was the one. Anyways, so yeah, this place has residences on 2 sides. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it. I feel it's worth it for a good nice evening. There's lots of things to do.
Yep.
And it's really easy to come to because it has a whole lot of
Easy to come
taxis.
for her. for her.
Because it
not
has
for, not for
taxis.
us. Because it's freaking far from my house.
Freaking far from my house. मेरे हाथ. Okay. Yeah. So.
Good hold.
So
Walk
it's,
करना है ना?
so it's pretty convenient for people to come because it's got a whole lot of taxis and they're always coming here. Although it's really jammed on Fridays and Saturdays. So.
Parking is that sir.
Yeah. Dude, the sun is here.
Okay, so I have to look at it.
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, now it's okay. Okay, so this place has beautiful graffiti walls to take pictures at.
Here are some of the paintings.
Graffitis.
Okay.
Graffitis. So this place has a lot of nice graffitis where you could take pictures. It's got small cute eateries like that where you can hang around. It's got beautiful little curio shops where you could shop for things if you're a tourist, even if you're a resident. Things to eat.
It's been like almost we
फिर
have
से
said
इसे
it like
बात करना है यार.
30 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes is saying like they are pretty walls. I know we can see it.
Because the
They are
sun was
walls.
not on my face.